To install the drum, lift up, line up your feed tube on the front pillar. Looking down the back of the drum, you can see the drive shaft so that you can start that engaging into the motor. Trying to line the ears up this way is difficult, so roll the machine back a little past 45 degrees, turn it until you hear it drop back and engage on the ears. Set the machine back down, slide the power feed over the cable, engaging the half moon in the groove on the bushing. Swing bolts come up and tighten the nuts down on it. At this point, your cable should be out. You can install your blades.